You searched how to buy shares of Fortive Corporation. Fortive is an industrial technology company that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FTV. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to walk through the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search and type the ticker FTV to find Fortive Corporation. Make sure you select the listing that shows NASDAQ as the exchange to reach the correct stock. Open the Fortive stock page to review basic company information and a price chart. Verify the company name, the FTV ticker, and the NASDAQ exchange to confirm this is the right asset. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your Fortive position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.